Kickstand on it, but yeah, that's fun. So the Surron Hyper B, how cute is this thing? How many times do we have people asking for something for their kids? Well, this is option number 1. We got an option number 2 coming. This thing is high end. I don't even know where to begin. First of all, it's cute as hell. It is $3,500. Let's start with that. It's $3,500, 50 volt, 25 amp hour lithium removable battery. It's just a mini version. You've got your motor here. Everything is off-road grade. How old? I don't know. This is me. I'm 5'2" on this thing. Like, I'm driving this. Now, it depends on your kid's experience because this thing's torquey. This thing it does 18 miles per hour in 1.6 seconds. That's a lot. That's 32 kilometers an hour in under 2 seconds, but it's got 3 levels to it, 1, 2, and 3. I think the smartest, greatest thing about this is that it's fully parental controlled. You can talk to your kid through this.
Slow down or I'll turn your mic off.
And the great thing is your kid can't talk back. It's not a 2-way, it's only a 1-way. Kickstand on it, but yeah, that's fun. So, and all right, so that's all the fun stuff. The suspension's fully adjustable. It can go from like 2 inches up to 7 inches. It's air suspension that is adjusting just like the big boy bikes. Or I think it's an 8 kilowatt, all adjustable front suspension. Like, this is the same grade as the Light BX, just a shorter one. Like, it's so cool. Great colors too. Yeah, I will show how to take the battery out. A 5 kilowatt motor. Oh, it's got reverse. Actually, let me show you this because I thought that was really neat. If you have to press and hold this button here, and you can feel the bike change gear, goes to R, and then you've got reverse. That's nice. That's really nice. You don't even get that in the big boy bikes. Oh, you do in the Light BX? Oh, okay. I never claimed to know it all. Listen, I just got these. So I don't know everything. Let's show you how to take the battery out. So we're gonna turn it off. The charger is not as fast in this one. It's a slower, so if it's right dead, it's gonna take 4.5 hours, which is still pretty good. It's just not the 12 or 13 amp that the other bikes come in. So you gotta turn this all the way to the left. So it's great. That's a nice connection. You want to see a lot of, you don't want to see dinky little pieces of metal there. It's got a good connections. Okay, and it's got a neat charging. Do you see that? It doesn't like plug in. Yeah, you're right, it's proprietary, so you can't get another charger. Chargers are gonna be a couple $100, so take good care of those, but I like that. But what a beautiful battery. And actually that makes it even lighter to throw in the back of a vehicle. They come in 4 friggin' awesome colors. And well done, Surron. I can't wait to get my kid on this. Bosco's gonna love this.